Hey, what's up guys? Alex over here, and I'm driving my Outlander, my 2022 Outlander, after the repair has been done. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you would like to support the channel, there's a link down in the description. And yeah, so supposedly the fix has been done, but I'm actually driving right now on the freeway. I'm going 72. I went up to 77 miles an hour, and let me show you. The wobble is still there. The hood vibration is not gone. I don't see any difference at these high speeds, freeway speeds. I'm doing 69 miles an hour, not lying, right there, 70. And the wobble is still there. So I don't know exactly what they were thinking with those weather stripping, trying to solve the problem, but it's definitely not the solution. It's still vibrating, just almost like before. I would say probably 20% less than before, but it's still very, very visible vibration. So at this point, I don't know what to do. Probably gonna go ahead and reach out to Mitsubishi Motors to see what their plan is, or how I don't know. If you guys have already found a solution for this, please share them in the comments below. Send me a message or something like that. This police reported ahead. Okay, so make sure, again, just leave me down in the comments below to see if you already got this taken care of 100%, or if they told you that they will be taking, I don't know, whatever more information you know that I don't know, leave it down in the comments below. Phone numbers or anybody that you might have already called that gave you some type of actual reasoning about this hood issue, because I don't know, I haven't actually used this for a travel like road trip or anything like that, but still, driving in the Houston area, you're always driving the freeways going over 60, 65 miles an hour, maybe not supposed to be going 70 miles an hour. And on the freeway, there's 75 miles an hour zone. There's some freeways that are giving you opportunity to go up to 80 miles an hour, and that thing is just gonna be vibrating. I just don't want the hood to actually just pop open a certain given time and cause an accident or something more, you know, like, I don't know. Again, that's me just sharing with you guys. I hope that you like this video, this update. Again, help us help each other out. Keep leaving down in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to support the channel, link in the description. Other than that, that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you on the trails. Bye.